Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about MTS and FMS Plus with the recess profile. This is the correct way to recess a track, whether hand-drawn or motorized. So the first thing you need to know is about your componentry. You have your fully assembled track, you have your recess profile, and then you have your fixing strip. Now, I've done a hand-drawn track for this tutorial. If you'll notice, it has a channel at the top of the track, kind of similar to your H-rail profile. Your recess profile is the profile of the track, but it also has a little groove inside. That's where the top of the channel on the MTS or recess or FMS Plus sits. The next portion you'll need is your fixing strip. So imagine this track, this recess profile, being recessed into the ceiling. You would mud right up to the flange on each end. And what you're going to do is take your finished track, click it in, and simply insert your fixing strip. This makes your finished recess profile.